This is a sneak peek of a brand new year-round 7 days a week haunted house. It's called Hell's Devil Estate down here in Princeton, Illinois. Now we got here just after their soft opening. They just had a friends and family night. So they are not 100% ready to go yet, but they agreed to get some actors in here to give us a live show and a little sneak peek of what they have to offer. So without further ado, let's get in here and check out Hell's Devil Estate.
We don't know where we are. We're at a brand new attraction.
Oh, wait, what?
Hopefully we come back out. Nancy, you're in front.
I'm in the front?
Nancy's in the front.
You're shorter than me.
Nuh-uh.
Oh, he's waving us in.
Okay, all right. Here we go, guys.
Oh my
Step.
God.
Let's step down.
Uh-oh. I see something in the distance.
What did we just walk into?
Who's first? Who's the first flash?
That's Nancy.
Okay, Nancy, go on in.
Oh my God.
Yeah, you crawl.
I crawl?
You gotta crawl.
I'm short. Okay, I guess I do crawl.
Oh, wow. Something got Nancy.
Nora.
Oh,
Okay.
my.
Yeah.
Come on, cameraman.
Something
Yeah.
got Nancy.
Well, you
How's it going?
Oh my
you
God.
hide.
Oh,
we're
You
crawling.
hide, because then you'll see me.
hi there.
You want to get buried alive too?
I don't think that sounds like much fun.
Oh God.
No. I don't want to be buried alive. No. That's not necessary. Nope. Oh, gosh.
Oh, you didn't get to crawl.
I got bad knees.
What? Oh, that's no fair.
I have to see
Cheaters.
the doctor.
Considering
You have to see the doctor.
my issues in
The
life,
Hell's Devil Estate.
Okay.
I've heard there's a Nora. Nora, step forward.
Oh, even some.
Haha. No.
Do you like having your soul, Nora?
I do.
Nobody else here has one. And if I have anything to say about it, you're not going to leave with one. This is the Hell's Devil Estate. In the 1800s, a man thought he could trick the devil. He tried to con me out of his own soul.
Uh-oh.
I don't like losing. Nobody makes it out of here alive. Say hi to George for me.
what's up, George?
Yo, Johnny looks really pretty today.
You look really pretty, George.
She said you look really pretty.
Go say hi to Timothy.
Timothy? Oh, Timothy's the
Timothy.
alligator? Oh.
Hi, Timothy. Do
You
you
got
do you
boobs.
bite?
He might.
Only Nancy.
Yes.
Georgie's getting jealous.
Oh.
Pay some attention over here.
Georgie needs
Georgie.
boobs.
Hi,
Georgie needs boobs.
Georgie, I don't want to boobs.
Hello, Georgie.
What you're about to see in the next rooms are the souls of the people that I have taken. They are no longer themselves. Everybody in this house has lost their mind.
You are gonna be next. Go, rise.
Alive too.
Okay.
Oh my.
Rise. Okay.
Rise? No rising.
Oh goodness.
They know you too well.
Backwards.
Paul must have talked to her.
I couldn't even get on my knees.
What
Look
was
at
that?
There's no need.
There's no. Oh gosh.
Feeling peckish today?
Oh, no.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Okay. Oh. She's peckish. Oh, no. That's not necessary. You stop that. No.
Don't eat those.
Those are not so gross.
Leave them alone so they can have food.
Oh my God.
She got something to eat over here.
It's not that bad.
He's eating something.
You just leave all that down there.
You sure you don't want to bite?
I'm pretty positive.
You want some of this?
What is
Guts.
that?
Human guts.
It's human guts.
It's mystery meat.
It's from Jacob.
Mystery, that's spam.
It's definitely mystery meat.
We grinded Jacob today. For
So
years.
it's freshly grounded.
My ex-husband helped me make it.
Oh.
That's Jacob's goal.
I think Mario wants some
It
soup.
looks a little thick.
I've eaten.
You've eaten?
Do you think he's ready?
Yep. He looks well done.
It's a little. The soup looks a little thick.
Or we have dessert? We have dessert? Ice cream?
Ice cream with a little sting to it.
Cookie.
Oh my God. What the?
Oh my.
You're breaking my home.
Sorry.
Cold black.
Okay, just you. Come on.
Oh God.
You
Just me?
That will definitely
Oh
make you
no.
I'm gonna pass. Pass on the stinging ice cream.
I'll just feed it to the birds.
Oh. Nancy?
Oh, juice.
Oh, that's gross.
Isn't it a lovely night?
It is a lovely night.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. What are we playing?
What's wrong with spiders? They're
We don't.
cute.
No, they're not.
Scared. You ready?
Oh, sure.
1, 2, 3.
Ah,
No. That's not. No. 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 No.
Ready? You want to get scared?
We are not petting it.
Nora.
Oh, no.
No, that's Nora.
Hi.
I get
Are you
it.
here to play?
We
I'm failed.
It depends on if we live. If we play.
I promise I don't bite.
I don't believe
Are
you.
you sure?
I don't think we do.
Get out!
We don't want to play, right?
Go!
No. Okay, we're good. Oh, that has no face. Okay. Do we go?
It represents my emotions.
Let's have fun together.
Turn back.
Okay.
Welcome to the circus, my friend! Are you doing good? Yeah! I bet you are! This is my friend! This is my friend! This is Frederick!
Together.
Say hi! Hi, Fred!
Hi. Oh my.
You want to see my friend?
No.
Jerry! Say hi!
That's how
Oh,
Jerry.
he's a little bad.
Hey, Jerry!
We're having fun, aren't we?
Yeah, except for I think you guys.
I think we're going this way.
That way. That
Yeah,
way.
this way. Wrong way!
That says
way?
turn
That
back.
way.
I don't know if we should go that way.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Oh, are we going into?
Oh God. What's ours? What is going on?
Oh my.
Are you okay?
I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
Definitely not okay.
Oh my goodness. We're just gonna go over here. Okay, all right. I don't think he's okay.
No.
Or that
Not
guy.
okay.
He's not okay either.
Oh, thanks for having us.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh.
Uh-oh. Okay. Did we survive? Maybe. Okay.
I'm Jacob. I started Hell's Devil Estate this year. We're going to be opening it up. And I have some of my few actors for you guys. One is Elmo. We got a clown for you, a demon. We got a doll. We got a zombie crawler. And we got a spider queen. So I'll give it off to the clown first.
So we're told that Hell's Devil Estate is going to be a pretty immersive experience. So as we go along, you guys can kind of tell us your roles in the story and how the story evolves with you guys.
So I'm Jennifer. I play the role as the clown in the clown room. So essentially, the daughter got turned into a doll, and I'm one of the servants who got turned into a clown. And essentially, I'm there. I'm in the clown room. I'm here to, give people a couple scares,
Hi, I'm Ray. I am the main devil of the establishment. I stand up on the stage. I introduce where we are, the main storyline, all that kind of stuff. It's very fun. I have lots of props. I have lots of you saw the wolf and stuff. It's very fun to do. So it's a lot of fun, yeah.
Hi, I'm Madison. I play the daughter that was turned into a doll, and basically my story is so my dad was conned, he tried to con the devil, and all of the family was cursed. I was turned into a doll. Personally, I love it. I think it's fun. I love being a doll.
Aww.
And he got me a whole circus for myself, and he got me all these clowns and everything for me to play with. And honestly, it's just really fun.
I'm Riley. I play the role as the zombie crawler. I am out in the graveyard. I was one of the garden workers, and I was killed once the entire family was killed because there's nowhere else for me to go.
Oh gosh. Okay. You're kind of stuck there forever then.
Sup?
Yeah.
AKA Shakiria.
Aw.
I am the Spider Queen.
Nora's favorite.
My role was I ran away to marry even richer than my father, and he got jealous, so he turned me into my biggest fear, spiders. But I embraced it and sucked the life out of men and and to make myself appear younger and have more money.
Nice.
The secret to
I think I'm
fountain
gonna
of
pick
youth
up
there.
that too. Can more people do that with you?
Maybe, if you have the looks for it.
Elmo the clown. I'm just here at the estate for now. We'll see what happens in the future. Think I may die off and something else may come of it.
Oh.
I have 15 years of experience in haunted houses. I've also done about 3 years of volunteer work at Boy Scouts, basically at a haunted house too, a haunted trail. That's how I got started. I've also managed a couple haunted houses. I've also been in the restaurant industry for a while.
Well, paint the picture for us out here. It looks like you're setting some more things up still, so this looks like it's going to be kind of a gift shop up front.
Yep.
Is that right?
And if we go this way over here, We have, in this area right here, pretty soon, by August 29th, we'll become an arcade. So we actually have some arcade games that probably like Alien, the shooting game, and we have some other arcade games and stuff like that. Right over there, we are planning to open a little movie theater for original scare movies. So like your Scream, Halloween, stuff like that. We're working on licensing and stuff like that to do that.
Cool.
And we are thinking about over in the corner over there, we will have our candy store. So we're going to be working on making a little candy store.
Okay.
Very nice.
And then obviously right now, we have our normal store, gift shop that will open at 2 p.m. every single day after August 29th. But for the month of August, we'll be open at 5 p.m. daily.
So you're doing weekends here for the month of August?
Weekends only. So this week, we'll be open Saturday and Sunday, but every other weekend, we'll be open Friday, Saturday, Sunday, leading up to August 29th. After August 29th, we'll be open 7 days a week, even on Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, and Saturdays, and Sunday.
And the haunted house will be open all those days too,
Yes.
is what you're saying?
Yep.
That's
We'll
cool.
be open from 5 p.m. to midnight, Monday through Thursday. Friday and Saturday, we'll be open 5 to 2 a.m. And we will be open on Sunday from 5 to 12 a.m.
That's a long time.
Yeah.
And how many actors, you told us off camera, but how many actors
Yeah.
and staff are you
We're
gonna
going to
have
be
here?
looking at around 60 actors, most likely, and around 20 guest service personnel, and then probably about 15 security guards.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so in back there in the haunt section too, you said that's going to probably double in
Yes.
size?
We're planning to double in size probably by, I want to say, next year in March. But this year, for the rest of this year, we'll be open with the half part. But we want to give everybody an experience and see what everybody thinks about this kind of new entertainment experience.
How much is a general ticket admission going to be?
General admission ticket is going to start at $30, but online you can get it for about $28 or $25, somewhere around there. And if you buy it an hour or a days before, you can get 2 tickets for $15 each. So it kind of gives you a deal for half off, basically, before you come inside the store.
Very cool.
And with the arcade games, is that something that would be included with the ticket, or are they like pay per play?
It is coin operated, so it'll be they pay for their cash, they get quarters, and then they get to do the arcade. Our parking lot will be closed though, so people will have to find parking before they come here.
Oh.
So we are good because we want to make enough area for lines and stuff like that.
Okay, so they'll have to park like.
Yeah.
Nearby
Across the street,
or something.
there's a library, so there's different areas to park around here.
Okay.
There's a lot of places. A lot of the rooms will get bigger eventually, but right now this is our setup. And then when we go over here, basically, this is going to be an expansion right here to the exit. We're going to be making this a Santanic area, so people can go through a Santanic scene, back out to a graveyard to where they were waiting in line.
Okay.
So you'll have some outdoor sections of the
Yep.
scenes as well.
Yeah, that get pulled in and out every night, so from our managers. But yeah.
So you're going to have a $15 option online if they buy online before they get here?
If they buy it, and it's 2 tickets minimum.
You have to buy at least 2.
2 tickets to get the $15 deal. Each ticket is $15, but you can only do one of those bundles per group. So per purchase is 1 bundle of the $15, and they have to get it an hour before the event starts, I believe, if I remember correctly.
An hour, okay, gotcha.
Yep.
And, will those prices adjust at all?
Those prices will adjust as soon as we know where we are standing and what people are thinking of the experience and stuff like that.
Okay.
Gotcha.
We can't wait to see this in a few years, that's for sure.